Hey Coca, today me and you are filming the Letscom F-533 ring light. You up for it? You ready to work? Alright, so here's how it looks in the box. And there's the item number. And there's how it looks once you open it. And there's everything that comes with it. It comes with a ring light, a tripod, a fixed cell phone stand with threading on the side and on the back, and a mount which just threads in right here. You can also thread it on the other side. It also has a ball joint, a flexible cell phone mount, a remote control, and a 1-year extended warranty card. Last, you have your instructions. First, just make sure the 4 nuts are loose. The tripod is completely adjustable. It opens up to 51.5 inches tall. Okay, the easiest way to install this, I think, is to get the ball joint first. And you tighten that up, and then you just screw that in there. Next, just make sure everything's tight on the tripod. Also, make sure the ball joint itself is tight, and then you're just going to take the light. You're going to line up the threading here and the threading here. And I like to use the tripod. I just turn the tripod because you don't want to get that cord tangled up. Okay, so now it's tight, and check this out. You can actually turn this like that. And this can go all the way down at a 45, or all the way back up, or anywhere in between, which I think is really nice. Now I'm just zooming in so you can see there's a notch right here. That's the only way it'll go down at a 45 is if you line that up. Just want to make sure you see that. Okay, a couple of things I wanted to tell you right here. First off, this one is only about 8 inches wide. So you're not going to want to put a DSLR in there. It's just kind of small, and the stand isn't quite stable enough for a DSLR. So what you're going to want to do, if you do use a DSLR, you'll have to put your DSLR on a tripod stand and try to get your DSLR to line up right in here with the hole. Unfortunately, you're going to have to buy your own USB plug. It does not come with it. To power it up, you just plug it in. Okay, so now we're going to turn it on. I just want to show you the remote control is right here. Your power button is the red button. So you press that. The up button makes it brighter. Down makes it more dim. And the bottom button changes it to warm. It's going pretty good so far, don't you think, Coco? We're getting this thing together. Then you just screw in the cell phone holder. It just goes right in there. And it's flexible. It's really easy to get your cell phone in there. It just clamps right in. The remote control works with Android and iOS. In order to pair it with your cell phone, first you turn the side button up. Once you see this blue light flash, you turn on your cell phone and make sure your Bluetooth is on. In your Bluetooth menu, look for the title AB Shutter 3, and then it will pair automatically. If you have an iOS, you'll just push in the top button and it will take a picture. If you have an Android, just push the bottom button and it will take a picture. It also comes with this clamp, and the way you get this on and off is first you loosen this part as much as you can, and then it just comes out like that. To put it back on, you just do the opposite, tighten this down, then turn this one right here clockwise as well. Now you can attach the other cell phone holder right here. Just make sure everything's tight first. Screw this part on, there's threading right there. This can be adjusted, you could turn it. one way or the other. And there's also threading back here if you wanted to screw in on this side. So here it is with the light off, and now with the light on. Here it is with the light off. So as you can see, the color got better and the light works. We'll turn up and down the brightness a little bit, show you the difference. That's without. It's getting brighter. All the way up. She's got more color in her face now. I'm doing the warm setting right now. I'll show you cold. I don't think it looks quite as colorful, so I'm going back to warm. Yeah, there's more detail. And let me show you cold. And there's cold, and as the name suggests, it's pretty cold. So the cold setting was the white light, the warm was the yellowish light. One last time. There we go. So there's three different settings. There's like a cold, cold, warm, and a mix. Cold, warm, mixture. Well, Coco, we're all done. You did a good job today. Here comes your treat. You ready? Good girl.